Good morning, students. I am Akanksha, your maths teacher. Going to start exercise 5C, D and E. Exercise 5A and B we have already discussed in previous videos. Now we start exercise 5C. In exercise 5C, we are having word problems related to subtraction. So children, how could we came to know that we have to do the subtraction in the given word problem? See, when we see these type of words like how many more, left, how much, these type of words shows that we have to do subtraction in the given word problem. Now see the first question given. 23,958 papayas grew in Hari's farm and 23,689 grew in Adi's farm. On whose farm did more papayas grow and how many more? So two farmers are there, Hari and Adi. Both grew papayas in their farm. Hari grew 23,958 and Adi grew 23,689 papayas. You have to tell ki who grows more papaya. It's quite obvious. It is seen here ki Hari grows more papaya than Adi. And one more thing you have to tell that how many more means how many more papayas the Hari grew than Adi. Now here we have the solution of question number 1. First of all, we'll write the answer of firstly asked question that who grew more papayas. So the answer is Hari grew more papayas. Now the next question asked is how many more, means how many more papayas Hari grown than Adi. So first of all we'll write number of papayas grown by Hari, that is 23,958, and number of papayas grown by Adi is 23,689. We'll subtract both these numbers, then we get the number of papayas grown more, that is 269. So 269 is the answer for this question. Now see the next question. The question is a factory made 47,800 TV sets in 2009. If 3,452 sets were made in December, how many sets were made till November? So children, in year 2009, a factory made 47,800 TV sets and in December it made 3,452 TV sets. So they are asking ki how many TV sets were made till November. So if we remove the number of TV sets made in December, we get the number of TV sets made till November. So here we have the solution. First of all, we'll write the total number of TV sets made. So they are 47,800. And the number of TV sets made in December are 3,452. If we subtract both these numbers, we'll get the number of TV sets made in November. So after subtracting both the given data, we'll get the answer 44,348. So the number of TV sets made till November is 44,348. The next question we are having is Lata won a singing contest by 75,926 votes. Hema came second. If Lata got 2,30,405 votes, how many votes did Hema get? So children, see, there is a singing competition in which a girl Lata won by 75,926 vote. Means she got that much more vote than Hema. And you have to find out how many votes did Hema get. If you remove this more votes, means this 75,926 votes from the total number of votes that Lata got, you will able to find out that how many votes did Hema get. Now see the solution. Now see, the number of votes Lata got, that is equals to 2,30,405, and we remove from these number of votes the number of votes Lata won by, that is 75,926. If we subtract both these numbers, we will get the number of votes Hema got, and that is our answer. So after subtracting both the numbers, we will get 1,54,479. Now with this, I am concluding the exercise 4C. The rest of the questions you try it yourself. I will send you the PDF of the exercise in the WhatsApp group, and you try it yourself by rest of the questions. They are also same as I have discussed these 3 questions. So children, try it yourself. Try to do it yourself only. Our next exercise is based on mixed addition and subtractions. Now see this exercise. Here in this exercise, we will follow the rules of BODMAS. Now see the examples given in your book. The first is find 27,321 minus 32,689 plus 15,496. Now see children, in these type of questions where we have to apply the BODMAS, means first you do the addition, then you will follow it by the subtractions. Now first you add the numbers which are having plus sign. So the first number is 27,321. If there is no sign before the number, that means the number is having plus sign. And the next number which is having plus sign is 15,496. By adding these two numbers, first we add, remember, first we add the numbers which are having plus sign. First we add the numbers. So after adding these two numbers, we get 42,817. Now from this 42,817, we'll subtract the number which is given in minus sign. So after subtracting both the numbers, we get 10,128. This is our answer. Now see one more example. Find 1,524 minus 672 plus 35,893 minus 30,240. Now in this question, we are seeing the two numbers are having minus sign and two numbers are having plus sign. So in these type of question, first of all, add the numbers which are having minus sign. The two numbers we are having which are having minus sign, first of all you have to add those numbers. So first we'll write 30,240 plus 672. After adding both the numbers, we get 30,912. Our second step is add the other number. In this, now the rest of the numbers which are having plus sign, we have to add those numbers also. That is 35,893 plus 1,524. After adding these two numbers, we get 37,417. Now the next step is what we have to do. Still we didn't get the answer. One more step we have to do. Now we'll subtract the number which we add first, which were having minus sign, and the number which are having plus sign. Now we subtract both the numbers. So first we write 37,417 because it's a bigger number minus 30,912. After subtracting we get 6,505. Now see the exercise given. Now we start the exercise 5D. I'll give you some questions, a solution of some questions, and rest of the questions you have to do it yourself. Try it yourself. The first question given is 15 plus 36 minus 25. Now see the solution of this question. In this question we are having three numbers, 15 plus 36 minus 25. So first of all what we will do, we will add the numbers which are having plus sign. So that is 15 plus 36. After adding both the numbers we get the answer 51. And then from this 51 we will subtract 25. So after subtracting 51 and 25 we get the answer 26. Now the second question given to us is 80 minus 47 plus 51. So again first of all we'll add the numbers, those are having plus sign. Three numbers are given to us in which two numbers are having plus sign and one number is having minus sign. So first of all we'll add the numbers which are having plus sign. That is 80 plus 51. After adding 80 and 51 we get the answer 131. Now after this we'll subtract 47 from 131. So after subtracting we get the answer 84. The next question given to us is 200 minus 115 minus 68. Now in this question we are having three numbers in which two numbers are having minus sign and one number is having plus sign. So in this question first we add those numbers which are having minus sign, that is 115 and 68. First we add these two numbers. So after adding 115 and 68 we get the answer 183. Now we have to subtract this number from 200. 200 is of plus sign and 183 is of minus sign. So we subtract both these numbers and after subtracting 200 and 183 we get the answer 17. By this I am concluding exercise 5D. The rest of the questions, children, you have to try it yourself. I will send the PDF of this exercise in your WhatsApp group and you have to do it yourself. Now I am going to start the next exercise, that is 5E. In this exercise we are having word problems. And children, I am going to explain you three questions of this exercise. Rest of the questions you please try it yourself. So the first question given in this exercise is the sum of two numbers is 2,10,365. If one of them is 1,02,858, find their difference. So here children, the sum of two numbers are given. The sum of two numbers is given, and from those two numbers, one number is also given to you. And you have to find out the difference of the two numbers. So before calculating the difference, we should know what is the second number. One number is given to us, and first of all we have to find out the other number. So then after that we'll able to calculate the difference of the two numbers. We should know, first of all we should know both the numbers, then only we are able to find out the difference of these numbers. Now see the solution of this question. First of all we'll write the given sum of the numbers. The sum of the numbers is equals to 2,10,365. The one number is 1,02,858. If we subtract the first number from the sum of the numbers, we are able to get the other number. We are able to find out the other number. So after subtracting 2,10,365 and the one number 1,02,858, we get the other number, that is 1,07,507. And children, we have to find out the difference of the two numbers. Now we are having both the numbers. The one number is 1,07,507 and the next number we are having is 1,02,858. After subtracting both the numbers, we get the difference, that is 4,649, and this is our answer. Now see the second question, that is the difference between two numbers is 14,937. If the greater of the two number is 59,002, find their sum. Again children, we are having the difference of the two numbers and we are having one greater number also, the greater of the two number also. First of all, again we have to find out the other number, then only we are able to find out their sum. So first of all, we'll find out the second number, the smaller number. Now see the solution of this question. First of all, we'll write the greater number. The greater number is 59,002 and the difference given to us is 14,937. So we'll subtract the difference from the greater number, then we are able to find out the smaller number. So after subtracting 59,002 and 14,937, we get the smaller number, that is 44,065. Now children, we have to calculate the sum of the two numbers. So we are having the greater number also and the smaller number also. So we can add both the numbers, so we are able to find out the sum. So the greater number is 59,002 and the smaller number is 44,065. After adding both the numbers, we get the answer 1,03,067. So this is our answer. Now see the third question. By how much is the sum of 92,746 and 78,218 greater than their difference? Here two numbers are given to you and they are asking the sum of these numbers, by how much the sum of these numbers is greater than their difference. So to solve this question, first of all we should know what is the sum of these numbers and what is the difference of these numbers. Then only we are able to find out by how much the sum is greater than the difference. Now see the solution. First of all, we'll find out the sum of the numbers. The first number given to us is 92,746 and the second number we are having is 78,218. After adding these two numbers, we get the sum of these numbers, that is 1,70,964. After calculating the sum, we find out the difference of these numbers. So the difference of the numbers we get 14,528. Now we are subtract the sum and the difference of these two numbers, then we are able to find out the sum which is greater than the difference, that is 1,70,964 minus 14,528, that is equals to 1,56,436. So by this that much amount, the sum is greater than the difference. By this I am concluding the exercise 5E. Rest of the question will send you in your WhatsApp group, and please complete your work neatly in your copy. Try to do other questions also in the same way.